Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another video of Python course for beginners, and in this video we will learn about assignment operators in Python. So what is assignment operators? So assignment operators are used to assign some value to the variable. We have already created some variables. We will learn about variables, and when we create a variable we assign it a value. So that is equal to symbol is actually a assignment operator. So let's create another variable. So that is a and give it a value 20. So I have created a variable and give it a value 20. So this is the assignment operator. It is assigning the 20 value to the variable a. So that is the work of assignment operator. It will assign the value to the variable. So it's printing 20. So assignment operators are also used with arithmetic operators. So a plus equal to and 20. So it will do add 30 to a, and it will add them, and it will put the result to the a variable, and again put the result to the a variable. So let's run this. So it's showing 50. So let me explain it in simple. So it's doing like this. So what is the value of a? The value of a is 20. So you can write a or 20. So these both are the same. So it's adding a 30 and a 20, and again the result is adding or putting to the a variable. So it will add 30 and the value of a, the value of a is 20, so it will add 30 and 20 and put the value to the a variable. So it's showing 50. So if I do this minus, so it's doing like this. So its result will be in minus 10, because it's doing it's subtracting minus 30 from the plus 20 and put the result to the a variable. So let's run this. So if you can also do this multiplication. So this is doing like this. So it will multiply 30 and the value of a. The value of a is 20. So it will multiply 20 and 30 and assign the value to the answer to the a variable. So let's run this. So it's showing 600. So you can also do this. So these are also used for when we want to simplify the code or use some shortcuts. So this is some sort of a shortcut. So it's showing the 0.6666 and so on. So these also are called shorthand for using assignment operators with arithmetic operators. So in the other programming languages there is a plus plus. So it will do add 1 in the value of a. So it's doing like this. It will add the 1 to the value of a, and again save the result to the a variable. So this is not supported in Python. So you can do like this. So this is also called increment. So when we use loops, this is will be very helpful. So it will add 1 to the variable a. So it's adding 1. If I do this, so it will decrement. It will -1 from the a variable. So that's all for today. We will learn about Python in next videos.